you very much. And Mr. Secretary, I just want to have a point of clarification. We were in El Paso this weekend, and we were at the Customs and Border Protection facility there. There was 1,000 people there, was at capacity. And I was told specifically by your staff there that they did not test any of those 1,000 individuals. Excuse me, I'm sorry about the video issue. They did not test any of those 1,000 individuals at that facility. And that was a concern to me because they were all close together and the Border Patrol agents had not all been vaccinated. In fact, less than half have been vaccinated. And then they are transferred elsewhere. And so the time when they're in that facility, they are not vaccinated. I mean, they're not tested or vaccinated, and then they're sent to another place. Are you saying that maybe tested when at another place? Because they're certainly not being tested down. I want to make sure the record's clear on
that. Your question, if I may, Congressman, has two parts to it. Number one, they were not tested. If they're not tested at the Border Patrol station, as I outlined earlier, there are different capabilities upon which we are relying for the testing of individuals before they're released. We are instituting the capacity at Border Patrol stations to test, number one. Number two is that, and as I indicated earlier, the number of frontline personnel who have been vaccinated has jumped from 2% at the beginning of February when I assumed office to over 26% as of the end of February. And why? That is because of the commitment and dedication that we have made to protecting the well-being of our frontline personnel, and we have executed Operation Vaccinate Our Workforce. The first thing I heard,
but I just want to make sure we're clear, sir. I just want to make sure we're clear and the record's clear. Not a single person was tested at that facility, and they were being, as we were there, they were people being transferred from that facility to elsewhere. They're there at least 72 hours. They're not being tested. The Border Patrol agents are being exposed, and then others are being exposed because they're being sent elsewhere before being tested. That's a fact. And that's just a fact. I want to make sure people understand that.